So good evening everyone. So today we will go through the commands for 3D modeling. So once we open AutoCAD, first we have to see this is in 3D modeling workspace or not. So go to workspace settings. From there just select 3D modeling. Once you select 3D modeling, the ribbon menu automatically changes to options that are available for 3D modeling. So the two techniques for 3D modeling are solid modeling and surface modeling. So that's why when I select 3D modeling option, automatically it is showing solid modeling options and surface modeling options in the ribbon menu. And there is a home tab. So in home tab, commands related to the solid or commands related to surfaces, commands related to wireframe modeling, everything is there here. Fine. So now we are in solid modeling. So in solid modeling, we have already gone through 2.5D modeling using these simple solid modeling commands. That is by extrude, press pull, sweep, then loft and revolve. So all these 5 commands are completed. So extrude is for creating uniform thickness from a 2D object. Press pull is for pulling or pushing, we can say compressing the 2D geometry into solid geometry. We can extract solid from the 2D surface. And sweep is for creating solid rods or pipes or anything like solid springs, etc. That is for creating uniform cross sections. Loft is for creating solid between various surfaces. It creates solid passing through various surfaces. And revolve command is actually for creating a 3D solid or surface by just rotating a 2D object about an axis. Just by sweeping, you can say that sweep called rotational sweep. The revolve is also named as rotational sweep. And the regular command what we use sweep is called translational sweep. And the revolve is also known as rotational sweep. Okay, so this creates a 3D solid, axis symmetric 3D solid. Fine. So these are discussed in the last class. So now I just open surface modeling commands. 1 minute. See, now I opened surface modeling commands. See, in surface modeling also you have loft, extrude, sweep and revolve, right? So all these 4 are there. All 4 commands are there, only except press pull. Except press pull, all the remaining 4 commands are here. So using these 4 commands also, you can create 2.5D models. Okay, so let us see what is the difference between solid extrude and extrude available in surface modeling. Okay, extrude command available in solid modeling, extrude command available in surface modeling. Let us see the difference between these two today. Okay, so now let me go to isometric. Okay, so I can change the direction view control from here to southwest isometric or any view, or in the main menu also In main menu also go to view, there is 3D views. From 3D views you can select southwest isometric, or else from here itself view controls, from here itself you can select the same. Okay, everything both are same. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to home. Now take a rectangle. Just I have, see now I'm creating a rectangle like this, and I will take one more rectangle here. Okay, I have taken two rectangles in the 3D space, and those two rectangles are in XY plane. Am I right? Are you able to visualize in which plane they are? Now they are in XY plane, that is in top plane. Am I right or not? So now I'll go to solid. Okay, I'll go to solid, extrude. Okay, select extrude command. Then it is asking to select objects. So I'll select this first rectangle, then enter. Now specify the height of extrusion. So let us say height as 6. Enter. So we have shade command. So just use shade. Enter. See, shade. So using solid extrude, we have created a solid block from the rectangle. Now I'll go to surface modeling options. In surface modeling options also there is extrude command. So select this extrude command. Now just take this rectangle, second rectangle, enter. Now specify height. I will specify the same height, 6. Okay, enter. See now, 1 minute. Extrude, select object, enter. So now just mention 6. See now. See now orbit. Did you find
How
any
you got that, sir? Can you explain it again?
Pardon, what happened?
This one. This right one, sir. This right one. How you got boxes in
Second one.
this rectangle?
Yeah. Sure. See here actually I am trying to show the difference between the extrude command available in solid modeling and also the extrude command available in surface modeling. Okay, so in solid options also there is extrude, in surface options also there is extrude. Are you able to see that? See?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so first I went to solid modeling option, extrude, select this first rectangle, enter, and just specify the height, say 6, and shade. Okay. Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I am going to surface modeling commands. In the ribbon menu, I am selecting surface. See now, in surface also there is extrude command. So select that extrude again. That means almost same command. In solid also extrude is there, surface also extrude. So again same procedure. Select object, enter, and just move cursor upward and mention 6. Same height. Enter. And now you can see, if I go to view orbit, re-orbit, see, when I use same command, but one is from solid modeling option and another one is for surface modeling option. So in solid modeling option, if I use extrude, it is creating a solid block. And when I am using surface modeling extrude command, it has created a hollow, or you can say it is a rectangular shell. It is called rectangular shell. Understood? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir. Sir, can you you got color to that, sir? Color.
Yeah. I will tell you. I will tell you those things also. So we have in upcoming classes we have those coloring also. Nothing to worry. Simple only.
Why
Just
we can object in this surface extrusion?
you can just simply select it. Double click. Okay. So when you double click on the object, simply there are different colors. See. Okay. Then close. Escape. Got it?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So just simply double click on that's all. Simply double click. So that is the solid extrude command and surface extrude command. So now next I'll go for second one, that is sweep command. Difference between solid sweep and surface sweep. Okay. So first, before going to that command, so I will select same helix option which we have drawn yesterday. I am selecting the helix option. Select the base point. Then it will ask base radius. Say for example 3, or you can say 5. Specify top radius. That also you take it as 5. Enter. Now see, I can give the height. But before giving the height, you can change the number of turns. So just by going through turns, see default there are only 3 turns. I will take 10. Enter. Now you can specify the height. Let us say 15. Or you can say simply 10. Okay. So first I have created a helix. So after creating the helix, I will take a circle command. See, I will take this as the center, end of the helix as the center. So I can take 0.2 as the radius for the circle. Okay, 0.2 radius I have taken. And before going for the command, I'll use copy command. Select this. I'll take one more because I have to explain solid sweep and surface sweep. Right? So now go to solid, select sweep command. See, select this object, enter, select the path, that is helix, select the helix. Now it automatically creates a sweep, a solid. It automatically creates a solid. See now, if you see here, if you see here, it is a solid. Am I right? It is a solid spring. It is a solid spring. How you have got? By using sweep command, which is available in solid modeling toolbar. Now I'll go to surface. Okay, I am selecting same sweep command which is available in surface modeling. I am taking this sweep See now select objects. I will select this circle, enter, then select the sweep path. Select this path. Okay. So after selecting the path, automatically it creates the component or the swept object. You can see 1 minute, it is loading. Slowly it will load because it has to travel number of turns. See here. This also has created like a helical spring, right? But here for a helical spring, this is a round rod, round cross section rod is there. But whereas here, if you observe this, see this is actually not a, it is not a, I will do one thing. I'll just rotate, yeah. Now you can see, it is not a solid rod, it is a pipe. Am I right? It is like a, it is a pipe, see? Are you able to see? This is actually a pipe. Am I right or not? So when you select solid sweep, it has created a solid rod, and when I used surface sweep, it has created a hollow pipe. Okay, it has created a hollow pipe. Any doubt in this solid sweep and surface sweep? Any doubt, students? If you respond, that will be very much easy for me to continue for the next.
Sir, in difference means in solid whole object will be sweep
In
like a
solid,
solid, but here it will follow in surface. Only on the surface of the line it will get swept.
yeah. See here, when I use sweep command from solid modeling option, it has created a round rod, solid rod. Okay, and when I use surface modeling and sweep command, it has created a pipe. Okay, pipe means it is a hollow.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Balram.
If I want to give thickness to the hollow pipe,
Yeah,
it's possible, sir.
here it is not possible actually. In this, it is not possible.
Oh, sir. Okay, sir.
It is difficult to create the thickness here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, next, let us see. So sweep is over, extrude is over. Now loft. So I will go to solid and I will use loft command. Then I will go to surface and I will use loft command. Okay. So let us see what will be the difference. So these things are over. So I'm just moving aside, making them aside. To explain loft command, go to home. In the earlier also we have created circles, right? So in the same way, center option. Okay. So now I can select the center. Don't select, just go there and move to some height. Then you can give one more circle with some radius. From here again, what I have done is just to create another circle at certain height. So like this, I have created three circles, one above the other. Okay, I have created three circles. one above the other, and after that I'll copy to one. One is for showing you solid loft, another is one for showing you surface loft. Okay, so now go to solid, just like earlier. So use loft command, select, select, and select, then enter. See, now it has created a solid block. Okay, so for this I have shown one application also. Which one? Door handle. Am I right? I have created a door handle also in the last class. It has created a solid block. But now, see, this is also a solid block. Now, if I go to surface, again I'm using loft command. Okay, I'm using loft command. Now, I'm selecting these three, enter. See now, what happened? Is there any difference, or both are same?
One is hollow, sir. This is the one we created with solid surface one.
It is a
The
solid
surface
block. First one is a solid block.
solid.
Second one is a just like a sheet, right? So in this way, we can create solid blocks or sheets using loft command. Say for example, now one more example. So I will go to home. I will take, say for example, an ellipse. Okay, I have created an ellipse, and then one more time from the center, say for example up to here. Okay, there are two ellipses. I'll go to copy command, CO or CP. Copy shortcut is CO. So I'm selecting these two, enter. Okay, two ellipses. Now go to solid, then loft, select this and select this, enter. You know, it is a solid block. And again, now go to surface, then loft. Now you can select these two, enter. You know, see the difference now here. Right? So in this way, we can create solid lofts or surface lofts. Right? I hope you have understood this. So now I'll prepare a small component. I'll prepare a small component. Go to home. I'm again taking an ellipse with, say, major diameter, axis length 20, 25, and this one width at 10, major axis and minor axis. Okay, now go to surface, go to extrude, enter. Now just let us create certain height. Okay, I'm creating certain height, say for example 50 or 60. What I have done now, simply I have created a ellipse and I used extrude command. Okay, is there any doubt here up to here? Using ellipse and then extrude. Okay, so now I will do one thing. So here, since the surfaces what we are producing using loft command or loft command or extrude command or sweep command, it is creating hollow sheets, right? It is creating number of shells, SHELLS, shell. It is like a shell, right? So sometimes these are not at all useful unless they are closed. Am I right? Unless they are closed, they are not useful also. Am I right? Say for example, see here, this is like a boiler. If you have seen thermal power plants, the boilers can be designed like this. Am I right? But there will be some thickness, of course. So here I want to prepare a small Pond's powder tin, a small Pond's powder tin. So for that I have created an ellipse. Then I have used extrude command. Okay, I used extrude command. So then now what I have to do to make it Pond's powder, I have to close the bottom. Am I right? I have to close the bottom also. Am I right? So simply, just for understanding only, I am just using this. So now here there is a command called patch. There is a command called patch. So if you go to patch and see, now I have rotated. Now if you select the bottom surface, okay, enter, enter. See now, see, bottom surface is closed. Fine. Even this surface also can be closed. I'll show you. Once again, go to patch. Okay. Select this bottom surface. See, select this surface. Then enter, enter. You know, all two faces are closed. The custom view, southwest azimuth. See now, fine. So now go to home. Just take ellipse command once again, or you can say for example, circle command, not ellipse command. It is a circle command. See, this is the center. Select and just create a small circle over here. Where is that circle? Where it has gone? Okay, we'll do one thing. Somewhere it has gone. It's not looking clearly. What I will do is, I will take a line from one end. I have to draw a line actually. I'm trying to draw a line. See what happened. Is everything shown here or not? quadrants. Yeah. Now you can see quadrant and quadrant. Okay. Just for example only. See, there is a line here. Now go to circle. You can see there is a line here. So on that line there is a midpoint here, and just draw a circle. You can see now. I could see the circle. Now go to surface, extrude, select this, enter, and just give some value. Let us say 2. See now. Okay. So there is a bottle, and even this surface also can be closed. How it is closed? Use patch command. Select the corner. See here, circumference I have selected. Enter, enter. See now, this also has been closed. The top surface of that also has been closed. See? Fine. So in this way, we are going to create different models. Fine. Understood? The difference between
Powder one, no sir. Powder.
yeah. Just any type of bottles, not only powder bottle. I just told the name. That's all. See, I can create a round bottle also from here. Then surface, extrude, take this, enter. Then you can give certain height, say 50. Okay. Now what I have to do? Go to patch, select this surface, enter, enter, select, enter, enter. See? And again, you can turn this to the bottom, then escape, go to patch, select this bottom surface, enter, enter. See? Bottom surface is also closed. So then you can keep one more thing on this top surface. On the top of the surface, go to home, select the center. You can create a circle here with some radius, and then again surface, extrude, select the circle, sorry, select the circle, extrude, select the circle, enter, and take height, certain height. Now patch, select the top circle, enter. It will be closed. If you want to open, you can make it to open, or if you want closed, it can be closed. Right? So it is by using extrude command. It is not only by extrude command. See, one more command is left now. In solid modeling, there is revolve, and in surface modeling also there is revolve. So let us see how we can use revolve command from solid and surface. So go to home. For using the revolve command, compulsory we should have one axis compulsory. Okay, one axis must be there. Now I'm using line or polyline command. See here, there is a polyline command, and there will be a 3D polyline command also. Not only polyline, it is only 2D polyline. There is one command called 3D polyline. See, in main menu, go to draw, there is a 3D polyline. You can use 3D polyline to to make it to draw lines along x, y, and z in all three directions. But if I select this 2D polyline, it will create line along. See, here I have created one line, and see here it is creating one more line. It is creating like this. Only in the bottom surface it is creating, right? So instead of that, I'll go to draw 3D polyline. If you see, I'm selecting this. See, if I want along x-axis, I can draw line along x. If I want along z-axis, it is going. If I want along again x, it is going, and again z, x, and z. Okay. So now I will take. See here, I'm just trying to create. Hey, okay, 1 minute, students. Chitty. So I have created a 2D geometry here. Sorry for the disturbance, students. So here I have created an axis, and I have created a 2D geometry like this. Okay. So if you go to the front view, you can see clearly. See, in front view, you can see very clearly 2D geometry. Fine. Now let us use a revolve command. Before that, make it isometric. Make it isometric. Now go to copy. First, I will copy this, because I have to show both solid command and surface command. Enter. Okay, I have copied both. Now go to solid, select revolve command. See now, select this one, select object, enter. Then you have to select axis. Then you have to give angle. Say I will take only 270 degrees. I will take only 270 degrees. That is a half sectional view. To give half sectional view, I will take 270 degrees. See now, it has created only, if you go to top view, you can see. It has created only up to 270 degrees. Okay, just to understand whether it has created solid or whether it has created surface. Now I will go to surface, then revolve. Now select this 2D surface, 2D curve, then enter. Then select start point and end point of the axis. Okay. Now again, I will give only 270 degrees. Is there any difference by looking in this direction? By looking in this direction, is there any difference, students? Are you able to see any difference? Nobody is there. What happened? Balram, Narasimha.
No difference, sir.
So it is looking like both are looking same. But now, see, I will rotate this towards us. Okay. And now I will show you. See here. What is this? Is it a solid object or any surface object? This one.
Solid object.
It is a solid object. It is actually a solid object because see it is completely filled with material. And if you observe the second one, see here, it is not a solid object. It has created, see, if you observe clearly, one is, you can see now, one is a solid, another one is a hollow shell.
Sir, how to get the flat with edges?
What happened?
Flat with edges.
Flat with
Edges.
means I did not understand.
This one, sir. That one, yes.
This one, this is like, yeah, this one is actually in view itself. There are visual styles. Okay, in view there are visual styles. So this one I'm going to explain now. Okay, don't worry, I will show you those things. I will show you now after completion of these 4 commands. I'm going to explain that only. So did you understand the difference between solid and surface commands? Same commands, but the output is different. Am I right? Same command, but the outputs are different. Okay. So is there any doubt in these 4 commands? Then I will go to the next command if it is okay.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Yeah. So now let me show you some view controls. Okay. First, let us see text. So just let me list out what commands we have used for now. Text, then first point and second point. Yeah, first we have used solid options, right? So in solid options, we have one is extrude and sweep, loft, revolve. Okay. We used this. So now after that, in surface also we used extrude. Sorry, surface. I have to write surface, right? We used extrude also here also, then sweep also, then loft also, then revolve also, and along with that we used patch, P-A-T-C-H. We used patch command also. Am I right? So these are the commands with what you have learned today, and now I will show you the view controls. Okay, I will show you the view controls. So there are different view controls here. See, Even from here, you can have different options. Okay. And from view also, if you go to visual styles, the same options will come here. Okay. And initially, before going to all these options, when we create, that will be in flat with edges option. This is a standard visual style. It is actually a standard visual style. See, there are, you can see number of edges, right? For everything, it is showing edges also with white color, right? You can see. But there are many more options. So now I will go to visual styles. You can see 2D wireframe, or simply you can say wireframe. Both are similar. So now I am selecting 2D wireframe or wireframe. See now. So for creating this step cone pulley in 3D wireframe modeling, you might have drawn these many lines. See how confusing it is, right? So that's why we have not tried wireframe modeling technique for 3D models. Too much complex 3D models. See how many lines, number of lines, crisscrossing, overlapping, and go to view, visual styles. See, there is one option called hidden. Okay. Sorry. There is one option called hidden. See now, if I select hidden, see all the invisible lines, all hidden lines, they are automatically removed, right? So this is, so when you draw this thing in 3D wireframe modeling, you cannot hide them. Am I right? In the previous classes I told we cannot hide them because in different views different hidden lines are there, but here automatically it hides the invisible lines. Go to view, then in visual styles there is realistic. See now, this is the real model without any flat edges or anything. These are the real models what we have created, so they are realistic. These are only display control options only, just visual styles, how we can visualize. See now there is conceptual also. If I select conceptual, see here, more effective, they are looking more effective, right? More attractive. Conceptual, see from here also there is conceptual. So now go to view, visual styles, shaded. If I select shaded, see some shade is coming, some white color shade. It is not much clearly visible, a bit change in the shade. If you observe clearly, visual styles, realistic. See now I'm clicking on realistic. Just look at the diagram only. Just look at the diagram, how the color will change. Is there any change? There is no change. So realistic and shaded will be the same when gray color is used. When there is gray color, there is nothing, there is no difference. See now I'm double clicking on the solid and I'm selecting a red color or something. Okay, I'm just changing to some color. Okay, now go to realistic. See now you can go to shaded. Both are shaded only. And now if you go to view, visual styles, shaded with edges, just look at the diagram, yellow color diagram. When I am selecting shaded with edges, see shade is coming, along with that the edges are also displayed. The edges are also displayed. Am I right? So so now, okay, sorry students. So now I will show you how to, I will use a few more commands. Visual styles, shades of gray. See, now I am selecting shades of gray. See, the colored objects, they became gray. Right? So 1 minute students. Any doubt here, students? Any doubt?
No, sir.
What about Saket? Fine, Saket. These are different visual styles only, just for our appearance.
Sir, you called me or what?
Yeah. Just now, just I'm asking whether.
No, sir. Room warden came, sir. That's why I was talking to him.
Okay. Okay, then. So tomorrow we'll go for some practical drawings. Okay, using this surface and solid two and
Sir,
a
how
half.
to get to this flat with edges? Any form command for that?
No. Directly here, see, it is a default setting. See here, that has gone now, right? So nothing is visible here, na? So it is just a default option which shows here. Once you change your, once you change your settings, automatically that will be vanished. It is a default thing. It is not a command actually. Fine, Saket?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. Okay, then.
Good night, sir.
Good night.